from group number 3, expert group number 3. So we are given the task to explain about STED, which is Student Team Achievement Division. So it is majorly from four consecutive steps. So first from this we have to form groups. And this method is applicable for different disciplines, social science, technical, engineering, arts, and also mathematics. So the first step is we have to teach the student what is the material and what is the depth that we are expecting from the students. So it is mainly on the instructor side, so to teach them on to the standard that we want them to achieve. And then they will have to go for study team. In study teams, they will be in their teams. They will have to sit down together and exchange the information from one another, so that they have a coherent understanding from one another. And also during that time, the instructor can also pose a question so that they can improve the student to give a better explanations. And after that, they will have to go to a test. Okay, so for a test, it can be the same test as before, or maybe a different concept from the different concept or different question depending on the instructor. And finally, it goes for recognition. So what happens in recognition, from the test that they take over here, they will compare it to the previous test they take. So it can be the same topic, same concepts and everything. So if there is some achievement from the students compared to the individual to the team achievement, so the difference in value will be contributed to the team score. So by then we can see that we can label that the team is good, great, or excellence. By doing that, we can see that all the principles and the pillars of the cooperative learning is being implemented. The PI, which is personal positive interdependence, is observed over here, where the students have to learn by themselves, and also the face-to-face interaction between the students and also the instructor. Over here, we can see most of the pillars is being used, which is interpersonal IA, which is independent accountability. Individual accountability, where they have to learn and also teach their peers on the content of the test. And also the positive interdependence, where they have to understand the materials, face-to-face interaction, which is clearly obvious over here, and also good social skills, we have to communicate with one another. Over here in the test part, they have the individual accountability and also positive independence, where they have to study and also present their work in the test. And finally, they will be doing a self-assessment, where their effort is being evaluated over here by the lecturers, and also that will contribute to the team's understanding. Okay, that's all from me, group number 3. See you guys. Assalamualaikum.